I lost 5 million because I partnered with the wrong person. Ang tanong, bakit ba ako nakipag-partner sa kanya? Dahil alam ko may mga bagay na hindi ko pa alam pagdating sa negosyo. May mga bagay na I thought matututunan ko sa kanya. Kaya after mangyari ito sa akin, I made sure na matututunan ko lahat ng bagay sa pagninegosyo para hindi na ito maulit sa akin. I have been in food business for 12 years and everything I have learned in food business, ituturo ko sa inyo. I even enrolled to culinary school para matutunan ko everything about food and how to run a successful food business. Hindi ito theory. I run my own food manufacturing company. I attended seminars after seminars, attended expos and events, and now you can have access to all that. If nasa food industry ka, restaurant, cafe, catering, food manufacturing, we are in the same industry. And kagaya ko noon, kung hindi ka pa rin confident sa skills and knowledge mo sa pagninegosyo, ito ang course na ginawa ko para lang sa inyo. From food product development, accounting, operations, HR, marketing, sales, expansion to another location, and franchising your business, lahat yan inilagay ko na dito. Kasama ang lahat ng templates, contracts, and documents na kailangan mo. When it comes to product development, paano mo malalaman kung magiging successful ang product mo? Paano mo matetest kung bibilhin to ng mga tao? When it comes to accounting, how can you make sure na nakokontrol mo ang food cost ng ingredients mo at paano mo mapoprotect ang margin and net profit mo? And how can you decide kung pwede ka nang mag-expand? When it comes to operations, how can you have a smooth, stress-free kitchen flow at hindi nagtatagal ang pag-surge sa mga clients? Pagdating sa HR, paano mo maiiwasan ang pag-hire ng mga tao na hindi fit sa company mo? At paano mo malalaman kung efficient ang pagtatrabaho nila? In marketing and sales, how can you be known in the area and how can you close the sale with your customers, including sales script and templates? At kung gusto mong mag-open ng next branch or magpa-franchise, paano mo ito magagawa? Ito at ang marami pang bagay na kasama ng course na ito. So kung pagod ka nang i-manage ang sabog-sabog ng sistema, kung gusto mo ng katahimikan at peace of mind na hindi ka nawawalan ng pera, enroll in this course and let's grow your business together.